Rev up your safety game with the ultimate guide to the best dash cameras on the market. Whether you're a road warrior or a cautious commuter, we've got you covered. From crystal clear footage to smart features, join us as we explore the top contenders in the dash camera world. Don't hit the road without the perfect pair of eyes for your journey. Let's dive into the world of the best dash cameras. Number 1. Rove R2 to 4K dash cam built-in Wi-Fi GPS car. Rove's R2 strikes the perfect balance between affordability and functionality. While we haven't had the chance to evaluate the R2 ourselves, it currently holds the top spot as the best-selling car on dash-mounted camera on Amazon. A well-deserved title, priced at $120, the R2 offers impressive features, including 4K video recording with a wide 150-degree field of view, an LCD screen, smartphone connectivity, and GPS. The specifications might sound too good to be true, but customer reviews on Amazon attest to the R2's capabilities. Originating as a Chicago-based startup operating from home, Rove aimed to create innovative dash cams at a reasonable price, and it seems they have succeeded. In terms of storage, the R2 to 4K supports micro SD cards with a capacity of up to 512 GB, a necessary consideration given the substantial space 4K video occupies. However, we find the recommended 256 GB card more than sufficient. While Rove doesn't include a micro SD card with the dashcam, it compensates by bundling the R2 with several useful accessories. The premium hardware, coupled with these accessories, makes Rove's offering a compelling choice. Unless you have highly specific feature requirements, there's little reason to look elsewhere. Number 2. CHORTAU Dual Dash Camera System. For those seeking comprehensive front and rear car recording capabilities, the CHORTAU Dual Dashcam system stands out as the ideal choice. Designed to capture both driving and parked scenarios, this system features a waterproof rear camera, fortified against the elements. Equipped with 4 infrared LED lights, the rear camera excels in night vision, aiding in reversing or recording the road behind you. Additionally, it serves as a reliable backup guide camera for parking and maneuvering. The front camera boasts a wide 170-degree angle lens, while the rear camera offers a 130-degree angle lens, effectively minimizing blind spots, to ensure consistent performance in varying temperatures, ranging from -86°F to 158°F. The dashcam system incorporates a supercapacitor alongside a lithium-ion backup battery. Both cameras deliver crystal-clear video in full 1080p HD at a smooth 30 frames per second, ensuring detailed footage even at high speeds. The front camera's compact design complements its 3-inch LCD display, featuring a screensaver mode for distraction-free driving. Overall, the CHORTAU Dual Dashcam system emerges as a strong contender, impressing with its intuitive design, innovative features, and seamless compatibility with rear cameras. Pros: front and rear cameras, superior night vision, compact design, easy to install. Cons: subpar mounting setup. Number 3. Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual 1080p Dash Camera. As ride-sharing services become increasingly integral to our daily lives, safeguarding drivers against potential accidents or customer disputes is paramount. The Vantrue N2 Pro Dashcam is tailor-made for ride-sharing service drivers, featuring a front-facing camera for traffic recording and a rear-facing camera capturing the car's interior. Equipped with 4 infrared LED lights, the rear camera ensures clear recordings in low light and nighttime conditions, both shooting in full 1080p HD for optimal detail. Designed with user convenience in mind, the dashcam system can be configured to automatically activate with the car's ignition. It also includes a motion sensor for safeguarding the vehicle while parked, and users can create time-lapse videos to showcase sequences of events. For added assurance, Vantrue offers an 18-month warranty coupled with 24-hour email support. Additionally, users have the option to enhance protection by purchasing an optional GPS system, seamlessly integrating with the dashcam. The Vantrue N2 Pro is a comprehensive solution, addressing the specific needs of ride-sharing service drivers with its advanced features and commitment to user support. Pros: rear-facing camera records interior, infrared LED lights for night recording, automated features, parking modes. Cons: always records when battery powered. Number 4. Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K Dash Camera. Vantrue's N4 transcends the traditional role of a dashcam, emerging as a comprehensive whole-car security system that undeniably justifies its higher price point. The kit includes 3 cameras, a dashcam featuring both front and rear-facing lenses, and an additional camera mountable on the back of your vehicle. This proves particularly beneficial in scenarios like rear-end collisions. Included in the package is a 20-foot cable facilitating the connection of the rear dashcam to your power adapter. Opting for hard wiring offers added advantages, such as 24/7 collision detection, motion detection, and continuous low bitrate recording, while bundling these dash cams together at a slightly reduced price might enhance the overall value. Vantrue currently requires a separate $22 accessory for GPS functionality, recording your location and speed. Running all three cameras simultaneously prompts the forward-facing camera to adjust its resolution to 1440p, still superior to HD, while the rear camera maintains a 1080p video recording capability. Despite the additional accessory costs, the Vantrue N4 stands out as a robust whole-car security solution, providing comprehensive coverage and advanced features for enhanced protection on the road. Number 5. Wolfbox 12-inch Mirror Dash Cam Backup Camera. Concluding our compilation is an undoubtedly inconspicuous solution in the realm of dashcams. The Wolfbox 12-inch Mirror Dashcam, ingeniously designed to seamlessly replace your rearview mirror while functioning as a dashcam. It ensures an unobtrusive presence that won't compromise the pristine aesthetics of your car's interior. The Wolfbox Mirror Dashcam goes above and beyond, incorporating a GPS function to assist with navigation. And to sweeten the deal, Wolfbox includes a complimentary 32GB SD card. It exceeds expectations by offering features beyond the conventional dashcam. However, it's essential to acknowledge that since this device replaces the existing rearview mirror, installation is marginally more complex than standard dashcams. Some users might find the setup less user-friendly, coupled with the absence of MPH readings, rendering it less appealing to certain consumers. The Wolfbox 12-inch Mirror Dashcam stands as a discreet yet feature-packed choice for those seeking a multifunctional and unobtrusive solution. Pros: discreet appearance, can function as a backup camera, free SD card. Cons: inherently difficult install.